Hello friends and kids, welcome back to Tirnar YouTube channel. I am only one channel to entertain you at all the time. Keep on watching Tirnar YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about the plant auk plant. This is are also called as mother plant or also called as Caltropius gigantea. This plant is usually available for two spices. There one is red in color and one is white in color. They are highly beneficial for an Ayurvedic point of view. So this plant is naturally available in all the places, and this native place is from India only. So but nowadays we are not using this one also leaves. All the leaves are we are not growing also. Keep on growing this auk plant, are also called as mother plant, MADAR. This is mother plant or Caltropias gigantea. This is also other name for the auk plant. And right now I don't have the flower also. You can see the flower available like a red color and white color. These are the things we are using for this, and this is very dangerous also. Sometimes if you put in your eyes it causes instant blindness also. So carefully use the auk plant and get benefit of the auk plant also. And simply Ayurvedic, they say about the auk plant leaves, it's a miracle plant leaves. They say miracle plant leaves because they use for many medical purposes. So we are going to see commonly why they are using and what is the disadvantage and advantages of the auk plant. That's what we are going to do, see that. And right now I put one bowl of this one also. You can see that. You see that I put here this milk also coming. This milk is the dangerous one. You cannot put in the eye. If you put in the eye, your eye may be instantly blindness. So this is very disadvantages of the auk plant leaves. But you can use the milk for the teeth paining. Like the teeth paining coming, you can put 2 drops in the teeth only. It will be cured. And even if you get a pain in your leg or your arm, something like that, so you can apply this milk to this. You can broken the leaves. I broken and keep right now here. You can see that. So little bit broken, and you can apply to that. It will be cured at all the time. That is also one of the advantages. And so many places we are using the even the tincture also they made out from the auk plant. Tincture, you know, the if ointment they are putting this tincture before they are putting for the burned places like that, they are applying tincture. That is also we are using one of the auk plant leaves. They are using that one only. Usually Ayurvedic using more beneficial for the auk plant leaves and even the flower also. And we make the juice also from that, and it will cure for the cough, and sometimes it will cure for the fever also. We make the milk some juice like that. That is one of the benefit also for the auk plant leaves. And the leaves also we are using in Hindu peoples, they are using for the pray Lord Shiva and even the Lord Ganesha. We are using this flower for that. They like so much the god. That's why we are using that one also. And the auk plant contains cardiac glycosides. They contains like that cardiac glycosides, which is commonly used for to cure the heart medications. And it can be used to cure skin fungal diseases. Actually, the skin fungal diseases such as like athletics they're playing long time and the foot getting burned, something like that problem. They are applying these auk plant leaves for that. Using ringworm, you see the ringworm on the foot, we can apply and keep, and it will be get cured from this only. And it contains also again the auk plants contains also glycosides like that. And calotaxin, calotaxins also it available inside the auk plant also. So these are all the things available inside the auk plants. And even these plants are all commonly used in hot medications only, and cure the skin problems. That is the main benefit. And healthy benefits of the auk plants, now we are going to see about the healthy benefits of the auk plant leaves. It helps to stabilize blood circulations. Blood circulation, it will be help for blood circulation. Helps stabilize blood circulations and helps in treating neurological disorders. and good for nausea and diarrhea. This is good for nausea and diarrhea, and used as antidote for snake bites. Even the snake bites also they are using for the antidote. Will be cure until some certain times. That's why we are applying this milk for that, and used as a antidote for snake bites. Already I informed. Then as healing properties to treat asthma also. This is one healing property to cure the asthma. Okay, this is the one of the main thing of the arc plant, and do not waste the arc plant. Try to use this one plant leaves, even the flower or even the milk also. Try to use it and get benefit from this. And there is a botanical name for the arc plant. We are going to see that one also. The English name is called as a mother plant, and Sanskrit Vasuka. We called as Sanskrit as a Vasuka, and Unini we called white mother flower or arc plant, same. This is a Sanskrit from coming from Sanskrit, and in Arabic Oshar. Okay, this is the main botanical name, and even the French term also Pomme de Sommeil. We called as Pomme de Sommeil. This is a French term for the arc plant. Even in Tamil language also we call it as that is the Indian language we call the Yergu. That is the botanical name for this. And even Italy also they call it as Caldropo. We call it as Caldropo. That is botanical name. So after that we have the leaves can be boiled and used as these leaves can be used as for making hot poultice to relieve stomach pain and headache and sprains. This is one of the leaves we are going to use that one, get benefit from the headache and sprain from the stomach also. So and tint act made from this is the tint active made from the leaves is said to be good for fevers. That is before I said like that. Even these leaves can be cured for the fever also. This is made from tincture, that is a tincture. Actually the tincture made from the leaves and used for the fevers, that is fever also it will be cured from the tincture made out from the arc plant. So these are all the benefits, and especially the disadvantages of the arc plant. Do not put in your eye. Take careful while you are using the arc plant leaves, and even the flower also very dangerous one. And even the flower they produced some seeds, that is also we are going to use this coming like red and black the seed, that is also we are going to use for the Lord Ganesha for the keeping like the eye. That is also one of the benefit. So these are all the things for the arc plant, and use it and get benefit. This milk also for applying some pain coming like that we can apply and get cure for this. These are all the preventions. You can prevent your body using the natural product, and even they are having here also available. The Saudi Arabia also they are using now, and they know value about this and they are using. So keep on watching Thirunar YouTube channel. I hope you people are enjoying my video. Keep on watching Thirunar YouTube channel. See you on next video. Bye guys. Right now I broken one piece. You can see how the milk is coming out. You can see the milk coming out in the bowl. I am taking some milk from that, but not coming out. It's very careful, you have to take it also. Sometimes it will go to your eye. It's very dangerous to your eye also. So that's why you have to take care for this. Not put you can see that milk how coming out. This is very good for Ayurvedic medicines we are using. So keep on watching Thirunar YouTube channel.